Welcome to our test and treat support videos, which we've created to show you just how quick and easy it can be to get tested and treated for chlamydia, as well as tested for other STIs without going to a clinic. If you haven't already spoken to a sexual health advisor before receiving this pack, please call the clinic immediately. If you're watching this video and you don't know why you've received a test and treat pack, please also contact the clinic to let us know. This video shows you the contents of your pack in detail, explains how to take your samples, and finally shows you how to return your samples so that you can get your results back. To make sure you get accurate results, you do need to follow the right order of doing things. You must collect your samples for testing before you take your antibiotic treatment. Just remember, test before treatment. Now, before you begin using your pack, find a comfortable place where you can take your time to look at the pack and read the instructions. Most people find using the test and treat pack really straightforward and find that it takes around 5 to 10 minutes. If you haven't done anything like this before, please don't worry, it's easy. All you need to do is follow the instructions carefully. This is your test and treat pack. Place the pack in front of you and check that it contains the following: an instruction leaflet, a urine or a vulvovaginal sampling kit, an HIV and syphilis blood sampling kit, your antibiotics called azithromycin or doxycycline, condoms, and a prepaid mailer envelope. Please check that all items shown in this video are included in your pack. Lay the items out on a flat surface so you know where they are and in which order to use them. If you're missing any items or if you would like any extra support, please contact the clinic and quote your reference number on your test request form. Men and women have different test and treat packs, so before you start using the pack, we want to make sure you've got the right type for you. Men should have a urine sampling kit and women should have a vulvovaginal swab sampling kit. You'll notice that we've included a blood sampling kit in your test and treat pack. That's because we don't want you to miss out on the wider range of services that you would be offered if you did visit a sexual health clinic. If you provide a blood sample, we can test this for HIV and syphilis. And when we test your urine or vulvovaginal swab sample for chlamydia, we can also do a test for gonorrhea at the same time. Even if you don't feel that anything is wrong, it's still very important that you use the pack and post your samples back. This is because some people have STIs and can pass them on without even knowing it. We recommend that you collect all the samples in the pack to have a full check for STIs, especially if you've never had an HIV test before. However, if you really don't want to take the blood sample, then you don't have to. But it is still very important that you complete the other samples to test for chlamydia and gonorrhea and return these in the prepaid mailer envelope. After you've collected your samples, then you'll take your antibiotics. We strongly recommend that you take the antibiotics before you get your test results, as you may have an STI and can pass it on even if you don't have symptoms. If you don't take the antibiotics and you do have an STI, your infection could lead to health problems such as infertility. You could also pass on the infection to other sex partners. You should avoid having sex without condoms to make sure that the antibiotics have time to work and that you're not reinfected in the meantime. If you need any help with taking your antibiotics or if you experience any side effects such as diarrhea or vomiting, please contact the clinic number on the card.